Hey guys, welcome back. This is the lecture number 83 from our bootcamp series. In the last lectures, we discussed about pagination using Kaminari Gem. Okay, and we saw the importance of pagination, and we also saw how to add pagination into our application, and we discussed about the alternatives of the Kaminari Gem as well. In this lecture, we want to implement another important feature for admin backed application, that is provide search features to admin panels. Okay, and we will do this using Ransack gem. Ransack gem is used for searching through your Rails application and through your active record models. And one thing I would like to tell you that if you have ever heard about the gem active admin and Rails admin, then you must be aware about the Ransack gem, because both admin gems, Rails admin and active admin, uses the Ransack for their searching purpose. Okay, and we will add the Ransack gem in our application to implement a custom search. Okay, so enough talking, let's start using the Ransack gem for search implementation. So here you can see that I am at the students index page, and I will add search feature here. And for rest of the resources in our application, like for courses, projects and blogs, you can do the same thing, just like we do here for students. Okay, so what you need to do here, that first open the GitHub for Ransack gem. Okay, not GitHub, just search for Ransack gem, and you will get the repository of this gem. And here you can find the entire wiki and the description for implementing the Ransack in your application. Okay, so this is how we can use. So just copy this gem Ransack. Okay, and paste it into your gem file. Open your gem file here, and in the gem file, just below the Kaminari gem, paste it and save it. And now in the new tab, run the bundle install. Open the Ransack documentation again. Okay, and here you can see that how it actually works. Okay, so this is the way of using Ransack into a gem file, and then this is how you can see the uses of Ransack gem. Okay, so here you can see that we have at the rate q. This at the rate q is the query parameters, okay, which is required to search through your active record models in a application. Okay, and then Ransack is the class method or scope which is invoked on your model. Okay, and then you can assign result of the Ransack operation to your instance collection or to your active record objects collection. Okay, so let's do it how we can do this for the students. So open the students controller inside the admin namespace. Okay, so let's open the students controller, and here what how you can do this. Now you need to change this function. Here you will need to do at the rate q equal to student dot Ransack, and then params q. Okay, and then here you need to do at the rate students equal to at the rate q dot result. Let's see what. Okay, it's result. Okay, and then make it distinct true. Okay, and then call this at the rate page dot params page here. Now remove this and paste it. Okay, save the file. Now when you refresh your students index page, you will get some error. Why? Because we added gem and we did not implemented form for Ransack, a search form for Ransack, and we did not started our server as well. So let's see how we can add form for Ransack. Okay, here is the Ransack search form for helper. Okay, which is used for implementing search form using Ransack gem, and it replaces the form for or form with for creating view search form inside your Rails application. Okay, so Ransack search form. What I'm trying to say here is that you cannot create Ransack search form for using form with and form for helpers. Okay, you need to use Ransack search form for helper, which is provided by Ransack as well. Ransack itself. Okay, so now what you need to do, that just copy this search form for @q to f. Okay, and then we will add rest of the things inside our form. So open the admin students index page for students. Okay, why index? Because we added the range into index section. Okay, so we need to add the form here. Okay, so now here you need to do something like this, and just save it, and make sure to restart the server because we just added the gem. Okay, so let's start it. Now let's refresh your browser. Okay, so you will see an error now that undefined method students path. Why? Because by default it search for the resources without any namespace or outside the namespace. Okay, if you are trying to use Ransack inside your namespace controllers, okay, or for your namespace resources, then you have to explicitly mention the URL for redirection, or URL for the search page, or URL for the index page as well, or where you want to redirect your resource after search query. Okay, so here we need to make sure that URL admin students. Okay, also one more thing, that do not provide the complete path here, admin student path. Okay, whenever you mention this as a URL option, it also prepend it's all, it always append the path to the URL. Okay, so you need to remove this. Just make admin student, sorry, admin students, and now refresh the browser. You will get this error is no more there. Okay, okay, so now we have no error, and we see the index page rendering of students controller successfully here. But we do not have any search field here as well. Why? Because our form is empty right now. So let's add some attributes in our form. So first, let's make new class form group, and into this form group what we need to provide, that our form builder object is f, so just make it form. And here what we need to do, that at the form dot label, and here we will provide first name contains. We can allow you admin to search student by all the attributes, so we will add form dot text field. Here you can add first name font. Okay, these are the matches like contains, EQ, LTEQ for less than equal to matcher, GTEQ for greater than equal to matcher, and should contain, should not contain. So there are so many Ransack matchers. Okay, that you can study the GitHub wiki of the Ransack gem, and then you will know how many Ransack matches it already has. Okay, so first name count, and just save it. Just add class here, form control. Okay, save this, and let's make submit button. Give class form group. Inside this form group you can add form dot, sorry, not form dot label, we need to provide form dot submit, and just add a class here, class button btn primary and btn lg. Save it, and now refresh your browser. Okay, you will see a search form here. So let's find all the students with the first, which first name contains carry. Okay, so let's make it carry, and when you click on the search, you will see that exactly one record is appearing here. Okay, now suppose we will try for some er, or for all the users which first name contains the r, okay, as substring. So let's click on the r, let's search for r. and you will get that Carrie, Erin, Damaris, Lester, Terestia, Darius, Adrian. Okay, so all these users contains the R. Okay, now let's search RA. Okay, so you can see only Ravi is here. If you contain Eddie, then you see there is only one user, Adrian. Or I. Okay, you can see there are three users, Demarius, Darius, and Adrian. Okay, so this is how the Ransack search will work. Now you can do the same thing for first last name as well, and then email and date of birth, GTEQ as well. So let's do this for last name. Last name is Kashyap. Search for it, and you will see that nothing will happen. Okay. Now if you search for Ravi Kashyap, then you will get a name here. Okay. So this is how we can implement search for our resources in Rails. Okay, so now it's your turn to do the same thing for all the resources and for all the attributes of the students except created it and updated it. Okay, I will push the updated code and add the repository link into the description of the lecture. You can get the updated code and match with your work from there. Okay, but I would like first you to work at your end as well, and then if you get any stuck, then you can match your work with my work. And then still, if you fetch any error, let me know through the comment section and I will be happy to help you. Okay, so this is how Rensic gem will work. And just one thing that I wanted to tell you, that you can check the list of Rensic matches from here. Okay, search matches. So you can check EQ for email equality or email contents also works. Okay, and you can check LTEQ, less than equal to, for matching the date of birth less than equal to or greater than equal to. Okay, so you can check it all the list of all these matches and then test according to your needs. Okay, so try this at your end and do the same thing for all the models and complete the search for student resource, and let me know if you have any error or if you are stuck at anywhere, then I will be happy to help you. Okay, so thanks for watching this and let's meet into the next lecture. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care and stay safe.